Welcome to Knightsbridge, where luxury meets a lifestyle. I can't wait to show you this stunning 4-bedroom apartment on the 4th floor of one of the most luxury addresses in London. Let's explore together. I'm Lucia Turok, your luxury London estate agent. Today, I will be taking you to the most luxurious apartment which you ever seen on my channel. This property is listed to let with my colleague Brisena from Century 21 London Central. This is a unique opportunity to rent this breathtaking apartment which was never on the market before. And it comes furnished or unfurnished. Location is everything, and this location is prime shopping. You've got Harvey, Nichols and Harrods on your doorstep. Also, you have a luxury boutiques on Sloane Street. Welcome home. Upon arrival, you are greeted by this beautiful hallway. This apartment has been designed by Candy & Candy and bespoke furniture by Christopher Guy. This apartment, as you can see, is not only staged, it's styled. In whole apartment you have a floor-to-ceilings windows where your natural light is coming in. Also you have a comfort cooling and heating, which is very important because you can regulate your temperature in every room separately. In the living room you have a wooden floors, you have a spotlights and speakers. I really love this designed dining area and also special chandelier. It looks like a Christmas bubbles, kind of. As you can see, dining table is dressed beautifully, and if you're not a good chef, maybe you can hire one and you can host a dinner like in Michelin star restaurant. I really love this living area because it's open and it's split it into lounge area or maybe like a TV room. You can have a dining room here, and here it reminds me like Alice in Wonderland. I really need to sit on this chair because it's beautiful. It's such an amazing Instagrammable place. Or imagine to play chess here. I really love this bookshelf on the top, which kind of reminds me also like a wine storage unit. So maybe you can store some wines here, or maybe you can have some books there, so you can use this area as a library as well. Come with me. Throughout the hallway, I will take you to the separate kitchen, but before that, I would like to mention that behind those mirrors, you have an extra storage and utility room. Maybe if you like a ballet, you can practice your dance here. And then you can see this beautiful mirror, kind of like, it's really nice designer piece. But anyway, let me take you to the kitchen. This sleek and modern, fully fitted kitchen has appliances Gaggenau. And on this side you have a microwave, wine cooler, fridge freezer with ice maker. Then you have a coffee machine here for your morning latte. And here you have a gas cooker with chef's oven. So I can imagine to be here in the morning to have a breakfast, or even to watch in the TV some nice recipes and try to make them, and to host my family or even my friends. I think it's a great start point for either drinks. I really like separated washing area on this side where you have a sink and dishwasher. You have plenty of space to store everything here and then to wash it later. And you have a lot of storage in this kitchen. However, let me take you to the balcony. So this is the separate balcony. I can imagine to enjoy my morning coffee here, or like a cup of tea in the afternoon, or glass of wine in the evening, so while my husband is cooking. Let me take you to the principal bedroom. Oh wow, this bedroom is really spacious. You have a fully fitted wardrobes on the right hand side, and because of the mirrors it gives you even like a feeling that space is even larger. Above chest of drawers you have an extra storage, which is always handy to have, and then here you have a dressing area, which is the best place, which I love, so you can do your makeup here. Wow, the bed is absolutely amazing. So you have a queen size bed with beautiful headboard, and I really love those chandeliers. There's something what I haven't seen before, but it's really nice taste of the owner. And yes, before you go to sleep, maybe you can watch this video over there, if this is gonna be your new home. To have a bubble egg swinging chair in your bedroom, that's the next level. I have to try it. Wow. I want this at home. So guys, if you rent this apartment, oh my goodness, that's something. Probably I will spend most of my time here. I really love it. Let me take you to a 6 pieces luxury ensuite bathroom. Wow, I really love these golden colors here. You have a hers and his sink or opposite with the large mirrors. They are also matching radiators, so everything is golden here. And imagine to have a bath in this gorgeous jacuzzi style bathtub full of bubbles, and you can even watch your favorite TV series on this mirrored TV. Excuse me, I forgot, you have a shower here. Also with a seat, rainfall shower. It must be a heaven to have a shower here. Then you have a bidet and toilet just here. Extra storage behind those mirrors and also another radiator. From principal bedroom, you can step outside onto wraparound balcony, which has an L shape and is leading to a second bedroom. As well, you have a view overlooking Harrods and Knightsbridge rooftops. From principal bedroom, let me take you to the second bedroom. You saw carpet in the principal bedroom, however, you have a wooden floor throughout other bedrooms. Every bedroom was designed completely differently, and as you can see, the wallpaper is absolutely gorgeous and completely different style, which I saw before. You have a double bed here with a very cute bubble lamp, so you can see the effect that even you have in dining area the bubble lamps, and then you have a bubble egg in the other bedroom. You have a leading doors to a balcony which is in L shape, and you can go around to a principal bedroom as well. There is a beautiful mirror here, and now let me take you to ensuite bathroom. You have a shower here, a lot of storage behind the mirror, and what is interesting is actually this sink. And there's also toilet, and here you have wardrobes. Let me take you to another bedroom. In the third bedroom, which is really good size, you have a fitted wardrobes with the mirrors. You have separate single bed, so maybe it can be guest bedroom or it can be kids bedroom. And I really love those wallpapers, kind of blue, gold, so everything is kind of gold here. And then you have also here comfort cooling, you can regulate your temperature. And here you have a family bathroom. Okay, so this is a different style with different tiles. You have a sink here, and opposite of the sink you have a large bathtub with rainfall shower, which is really great. So you can enjoy your bubble bath here. Toilet is on this side, and here you have a laundry area where you have a washing machine and also tumble dryer. Bye. Oh no, let me take you to another bedroom. This is fourth double bedroom with a king size bed and also fitted wardrobes throughout. Wow, I think I really like this peacock wallpaper. This is my probably favorite one. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments down below which room is your favorite one. It's pretty good size. Even if you don't need fourth bedroom, maybe you can design it as a home office or working area. But anyway, in the building there is also space where you can work, so probably is not needed, but anyway, it's good to have a choice. And it gets even better. The building offers a resort level amenities. You have a Kinesis spa with a spa treatment, you have a swimming pool there, gym, also sauna, and there is a 24-hour concierge with a security and wallet parking. Plus, you have 12-seated boardroom if you have any business meeting. So there you have it, a rare gem in one of the most prestigious addresses in London, the Knightsbridge Apartments. If you would like to rent this apartment, contact me directly and call me now to schedule your viewing. I will leave you all the details in the description box down below. If you would like to explore this apartment on your own, I'm doing 360 virtual tour using my 360 giraffe camera, and I will leave you all the details and link in the description box. Thanks so much for joining me on this tour, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button to get in the loop, and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. I'm Lucia Turok, and see you in my next one. Bye!